Hey guys, Ryan Phillips here, and in this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use our interactive video platform. Now of course you have two choices. You can sell our local interactive video templates to local businesses, or you can use our interactive video software to create your own interactive videos. I'm going to show you how to do both. We're going to start by clicking Add New Project. And this is the first page you'll be greeted with. You have three options. You can create a blank project. You can choose out of the local templates that we have right here, or you can choose from one of the generic templates. I'm going to show you first how to edit a local template and how we created these. So I'm just going to select the coffee shop. Before I do, let's preview this so you can see exactly what I'm going to show you what to make and how we're going to make this. So right here, it's only a few seconds long. Let's have a look at the interaction layer that we're going to create, and let's have a look at how this looks overall.
Welcome to our coffee shop. We want to give you a special discount coupon as a friendly bribe, so we can show you just how wonderful our coffee shop is. And we want to make it personal, just for you. So tell us, what would you most like to come in and try?
I'm going to select Americano.
You want an Americano? Good choice. Tell us where to send your special discount coupon, and we look forward to serving you and your friends real soon.
Okay, and that's as easy as it is. As you can see, all our templates are professionally filmed with our video, with our videographers, our acting team, and our video editing team. So this is how quick and easy it is to actually edit these. I'm just going to select the coffee shop template, and I'm going to call this demo. Click on create. And here it is. Now you can see on the right hand side we have our media library, and in the center we have our canvas, and this is like the 30,000 foot view of our interactive videos. We have our settings along the left. We can check stats, go to videos, open the agency edition, look at training, access our account. What I want to show you is how easy it is to edit this. As you just saw, all of the templates are pre-done, ready for you to sell. All you need to do is literally go to settings, add in a branding image right here, and that drops the logo of the coffee shop or the electrician onto the project, and then you're done. Okay, that's as quick and easy as it is to actually sell these templates, these interactive videos to local businesses. Quick, easy, fast. Now, what I'm gonna do is actually delete this project and show you how we actually create this so you can see the interactive elements. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hop on over here and I'm going to delete these interactive elements and essentially start this from scratch. I'm going to go into our timeline editor and we'll just delete the Americano one so I can show you how to do that from scratch, just for the interest of time. Okay, now let me show you how quick our servers are. So to add a new video, we simply click on add video. We can upload from our desktop, choose from YouTube. I'm just going to bring this YouTube video over right here, and let's click on YouTube. Let's paste this across, click on add, and you'll see the time it takes to actually add this to the project. It's super fast. Then we just drag it onto the canvas and we can use it to create our interactive videos. Okay, I'm going to delete it because we don't need it for this project. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to double click inside this video. When we double click inside a video, it takes us from the canvas to our timeline editor. As you can see here, it's nice and simple. We have our node properties, that's just our video properties on the left. We have the different interactive elements on the right, and we have the timeline in the center. So what we do is we either hit play to find out where in this video we want our interaction elements to happen, or we can simply drag this across. Okay, I'm just going to hit play.
So tell us, what would you most like to come in and try?
And remember, we're going to make this for the Americano. Now we have a few options. We can drag a button across, okay, and we can edit this button. And again, I'm just going to delete this because we don't need it. We can drag in text, dynamic text, email opt-ins, custom HTML, images, pop-up triggers. Okay, for this, I'm going to use a hotspot. A hotspot is basically an invisible button. And I'm just going to position this over this place that I want to be interactive. Perfect. And over here, I choose the behavior. So on click, I want this to play the node, and I want the node to be the Americano video. Okay, we also have options to open a URL, skip to a specific time in the video, open a pop-up. Okay, we have all of these options available to us. Okay, I'm just going to select save. And now when I go back to the canvas, you'll see it's created that interaction layer. Now let's do it for latte, espresso, and cappuccino. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this across. And let's start with cappuccino. Okay, we want it to play the cappuccino video. For latte, we want it to play the latte video. For espresso, we want it to play the espresso video. Dead quick, dead simple, dead easy. And it's created those interaction elements on our canvas. Okay, that's how quick and easy it is to actually create an interactive video. We simply drag our videos onto the canvas, then we add our interaction layers onto the video in this timeline page. Okay, dead simple, dead easy. Now, there's one thing that I've not shown you just yet, which is the pop-ups that we added. So let's go over to latte. We've double clicked on the latte video to get inside of the timeline editor. And of course, we had a pop-up that showed at the end. It said, enter your email to get your discount coupon. And again, this works just like the hotspots do. If we want to have a pop-up, we drag the pop-up trigger onto the timeline. Okay, that creates the pop-up over here. And then we can just edit that pop-up. Okay, so I've just used one of our templates, one of our email opt-in templates. If I click on choose template over here, you can see we've got a whole bunch. We've got, coupon templates. We've got, ecom templates. We have lots of different designs. Here's a different type of email template over here that just covers the bottom. Okay, I'm going to use I like to use this classic one right here. Okay, and then we can edit, as much as this, we can change the text, change the color of the buttons, we can, add the skip, we can delete the skip. However you want to edit this pop-up, we just do that by using the interactive elements on the right. Okay, now I'm just going to go back, and the template that I wanted to use was the email template. I actually edited one earlier. Okay, so if I go back to the node, and this template was the coffee coupon email pop-up template, one that I edited earlier. Okay, and that's literally how quick and easy it is for you to use one of these local templates or create one yourself. Now we've done that, let me show you the other features. Now you know how you actually use Interactr to create interactive videos. We also have stats. We have a full-on stat dashboard. Now, there's no stats for this video because I've only just created it, but you can see the amount of project views, the amount of interactions, the conversions, the dollar per, the revenue in regards to dollars per view. You can see the retention charts, the project views. Do they view your interactive video on mobile or desktop? What elements are clicked the most? Okay, you have absolutely everything that you need to track this. Okay, next we have our settings. Now over here, we can enable different chapters so people can scroll through this. If we enable chapters, what it does is it adds a little menu icon in the right and people can select their different sections. In fact, I'll save this and I'll show you. So if we preview this now, if I head over to publishing and sharing, and I'm just going to publish this so we can preview it live. We'll open our share page. Because we enabled chapters, we'll actually see when I play this a little menu on the right hand side.
Welcome to our coffee shop. We want to give you a special discount coupon as a friendly bribe, so we can you want an Americano?
Okay, so if you're on a video yourself, you could say, click on our menu icon in the top left and select what you want to view in this video. Okay, that's what the chapters part of the settings does. Okay, I'm just going to take that off for this video. We can also add in branding images. We can have the video to autoplay, show the the fast forward or rewind bar if we want to, choose custom thumbnails, enter our Facebook pixel data so we know if certain people click on a certain element, it adds them to our Facebook pixel. Okay, we've got lots of advanced settings right here that you can actually choose. Then on the publishing and sharing page, right here's where we choose how we want to publish this. How we actually have coded Interactr. If this coffee video is on a coffee shop's website, we can make changes in the platform, and as soon as we hit publish, it will automatically update the video on the user's website without us having to reinstall this code. Dead quick, dead easy, dead simple. We also have this share page that we can give to people to check out the interactive videos that we've created, fully customizable so they can take a look. And in a nutshell, guys, that is the Interactr platform. Again, there's two main benefits of this. The first benefit is you can actually use our interactive video templates to sell to local businesses, okay? Everyone knows that video works. You can be first to market with interactive video and give yourself a competitive advantage in your market to sell these interactive videos to local businesses with our pre-done templates. You literally have to do no work. Or you can start a blank project or use a generic template to create an interactive video for yourself. Maybe you don't want to sell interactive videos to local businesses. Maybe you want to use the power of interactive video in your own business, just like what we do. Okay, you can do that as well. Now that said, guys, that's Ryan Phillips signing out on behalf of myself and Jamie Ohler from Dropmark. Scroll down this page, check out all of our other features, click on that buy now button, and I look forward to seeing you inside of our Facebook user group. I'm looking forward to connecting with you in there, and I'm looking forward to hearing the results that you're going to get and the success that you're going to experience from investing in Interactr. Take care, guys. Bye for now.